pie out of this one also. Like buko pie and pineapple pie out of this one. That is per order. For this one, I cook it daily. Depending doon ay klase. Pero kang wala mang klase. So I place this finished product in the school, elementary school there, situated there, and also high school because I have two high school students and two elementary students. So I just let them bring my finished products to the teachers. There are six sections, I think. So that is really my needs.
Extend din kayo pasalamat sa Kiba.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Because of this, because of the help of Hagdan, Kiba, I should like to thank Kiba for helping me achieve more my dreams, for helping me put up additional capital for my little business, and it helps me a lot. It helps me with the little income that my husband has. I use it with to give my students there every day and need especially transportation. Thank you, Kiba, very much.
Thank you. Salamat.